Hi everyone, welcome to Great Garden. Are you worried because your orchid has been attacked by fungus, with black rotting roots and wilted yellow leaves? Don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you a simple hydroponic method using only familiar kitchen ingredients, completely natural, safe, and gentle for your plants. When done correctly, you'll notice amazing results. Strong, thick white roots spreading everywhere. Shiny, healthy green leaves and long flower spikes, signaling a bright, blooming season ahead. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of our orchid care tips. Let's get started. This is the orchid I bought on sale from a local store. As you can see, it's been attacked by fungus. The roots are black and rotten, and the leaves look unhealthy. Now, let's remove the fungus and bring this plant back to life. First, I will remove the yellowed and withered leaves to help the plant focus its nutrients on nourishing healthy roots, shoots, and leaves, while also limiting the spread of fungal diseases and creating a well-ventilated environment for better growth. Next, I soak the plant in clean water for about 15 minutes to soften the growing medium. This helps separate the roots from the medium more easily and safely for the plant. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. After 15 minutes, once the growing medium is moistened, I gently push the plant out of the plastic pot. Removing the plastic pot makes it easier to take the orchid out, protects the roots, helps remove the old medium, and prepares the plant to adapt to its new pot. Next, I gently remove the moss or old growing medium around the base of the plant. Moss is a very common medium used in nurseries because of its excellent moisture retention. However, once the plant is brought home, if you can't control the amount of watering, the moss may hold too much moisture, preventing the roots from breathing properly. If this condition continues for too long, it can easily lead to root and stem rot, weakening the plant and even causing it to die. This is one of the most common reasons why many beginners fail when growing orchids. When you remove the old growing medium, you also free the roots from compression, giving them space to breathe and grow. Additionally, this process stimulates the growth of new roots, enhancing the plant's ability to absorb water and nutrients. Moreover, replacing the old growing medium allows you to add a fresh, nutrient-rich, and well-aerated layer, helping the orchid recover quickly, grow stronger, and get ready for its next vibrant blooming season. After removing the old medium, I use a pair of scissors, disinfect them with alcohol, and then start trimming off the dry and rotten roots. This process helps eliminate any hidden pathogens in the damaged roots while preserving the healthy ones that are thick, white, and still capable of growing. As a result, the orchid can absorb water and nutrients more effectively, reduce the risk of disease spreading, and promote the strong development of new roots, helping the plant recover quickly and grow sustainably. Next, we'll rinse the entire plant under clean running water. This step helps completely remove dirt, salt residues, and any remaining pathogens on the roots, leaves, and base of the plant. At the same time, rinsing the plant helps the roots breathe better, reduces the risk of fungal and bacterial infections, and creates ideal conditions for new roots to grow. This is also an important step that allows the plant to acclimate to its new environment before being replanted into a fresh medium. Once the plant is thoroughly rinsed, I place it in a dry area for about an hour to let it air dry naturally. This step allows the cuts on the roots to seal, reduces the risk of fungal infection, and prepares the plant for replanting into fresh medium. While waiting, I prepare an organic fertilizer to help the plant recover. Here, I will use 1 lemon. If you don't have a yellow lemon, you can use a green lemon like I do. First, gently cut the lemon in half. Next, squeeze the lemon to extract the juice, discarding the seeds. Lemon contains plenty of vitamin C, citric acid, and natural minerals that are very beneficial for the plant. Add 500 milliliters of clean water to dilute the solution. Next, I use this lemon water to disinfect the orchid's leaves. Leaves can also carry pests or harmful microorganisms. So this step is extremely important and should not be skipped. I soak the leaves in the lemon solution for about 15 minutes to gently clean and protect them. After 15 minutes, remove the leaves from the solution. Next, gently pat the leaves dry with a clean cloth or paper towel. This helps prevent excess moisture from remaining on the leaves, which could lead to root rot or fungal problems. The next step is to soak the roots in the lemon water solution. I soak them for about 30 minutes to ensure thorough disinfection and give the roots a clean, healthy start. During this time, I prepare a pot filled with pine bark like this. Then, pour 1 liter of boiling water over the pine bark. This helps disinfect it, removing mold, insects, and any remaining impurities while also softening the material so the roots can easily attach and grow stronger when replanted. Once the pine bark is sterilized, I scoop it out and proceed to plant the orchid. After 30 minutes, I lift the plant out of the solution. At this point, the orchid has been fully disinfected and is ready for the next step. Now, I'll show you how to properly apply the water culture method. I use a clean cup like this, which has drainage and air holes. Next, gently place the plant in the center of the pot, then spread layers of pine bark around the roots to keep the plant stable and upright. Be careful not to pack the pine bark too tightly, so the roots still have space to breathe and grow easily. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. After planting the orchid, I prepare a cup like this. It needs to be sealed so that no water can escape. Next, I prepare an organic fertilizer solution for the plant. The main ingredient I use is the lemon peel from earlier. First, I cut the lemon peel into small pieces so that the essential oils, vitamin C, and natural acids can dissolve more easily in water, helping the plant absorb nutrients more effectively. After cutting the peel into small pieces, I place all of them into the cup. The next ingredient I use is rice. Rice contains plenty of B vitamins, minerals, and natural starch, which help stimulate root growth, nourish glossy green leaves, and restore the plant's vitality. I use 3 tablespoons of rice. Then, add 500 milliliters of room temperature clean water. Finally, stir the mixture well. And let the solution sit for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I strain out the solids, keeping only the liquid extract. This extract contains vitamins, minerals, and natural organic compounds extracted from the lemon peel and rice, which help the plant grow well. Add 1 liter of water to dilute the solution. Now it's ready. Let's fertilize the plant together. Next, I water around the base of the orchid using the diluted solution. You should pour gently, ensuring the solution penetrates the roots evenly without pooling, so the plant can absorb nutrients efficiently without waterlogging. You can also pour some of the fertilizer solution into a small cup and use it to wipe the leaves of the plant. When wiping the leaves, dust and residues on the surface are removed, allowing the leaves to absorb light more effectively for photosynthesis. Moreover, the lemon peel and rice contain vitamin C, natural acids, B vitamins, and mild minerals, which help clean the leaf surface, stimulate metabolism, and boost the plant's natural resistance. Be sure to wipe both sides of the leaves with the diluted lemon peel and rice solution, so the nutrients are absorbed well, resulting in thick, healthy green leaves with a natural shine. Next, pour clean water into a cup like this. Then, place the planted pot on top of the cup, as shown in the video. This method allows the plant to receive gentle, consistent moisture through natural evaporation. The roots can self-regulate the amount of water they need, preventing both waterlogging and drought. Then, place the plant in a dry, well-ventilated area. Avoid direct sunlight exposure. I pour the remaining solution into a spray bottle and then use it to mist the other plants in the garden. Spraying the lemon peel and rice solution allows the natural nutrients, vitamin C, minerals, and antioxidant compounds to evenly coat all parts of the plant, creating a natural protective layer that keeps the plant healthy and helps reduce bacteria, fungi, and harmful insects. Be sure to spray both the top and underside of the leaves so the solution penetrates deeply and evenly, cleaning the leaves, enhancing photosynthesis, and stimulating vigorous growth. This method should be done once a week during the first month, then reduced to once a month to maintain long-term plant health. After each spraying, let the plant rest for about 15 minutes to allow the leaves and roots to fully absorb the nutrients from the lemon peel and rice, promoting strong, glossy leaves and sustainable growth. This is the plant I've grown using this method. You can see that the roots have started producing many new, thick, white, and plump tips, a clear sign that the plant is recovering and growing very well. Especially for other orchids cared for, using this method, the flower buds and inflorescences begin to develop evenly and firmly, preparing for vibrant blooms. The buds appear dense, large, with bright, long-lasting colors. When they bloom, the flowers are uniform and stay fresh for a long time, creating an orchid pot full of vitality and dazzling beauty, a well-deserved reward for consistent and patient care. Enjoy every moment of caring for your plants, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to the channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you won't miss other orchid care tips and interesting gardening videos. Goodbye, and see you in the next video on Great Garden.